Hello everyone, my name is Chance Jaffrey, and today I'm going to be talking about the brain concept of contagious yawning. The hypothesis was that contagious yawning and other echo phenomenon are tied to the individual differences in the balance between motor excitability and physiological differences within the primary motor cortex. The study's design was that the researchers showed 36 adults videos of people yawning. The viewing period was broken up into 4 blocks. During these blocks, they were told to either yawn or to suppress their yawns. And the participants were asked to record their urge to yawn and were recorded while they're yawning to count how many times they yawned. During the experiment, TMS was being used to measure the motor cortex excitability during the last 2 blocks. The participants received transcranial electrical stimulation during these last 2 blocks to the cortex. This increased their urge to yawn. The findings that the researchers found was that individual variability in the propensity for contagious yawning is determined by cortical excitability and physiological inhibition in the primary motor cortex. In other words, the propensity to engage in contagious yawning is hardwired into the individual's brain. With TMS measurements of motor excitability and physiological inhibition, it can be used to predict contagious yawning and is accounted for half of the variability for contagious yawning. The sources was from Naveed Saleh, author of Contagious Yawning is Hardwired, on the website of Psychology Today. Thank you.